Web development is the technology that involves building and developing amazing websites for the internet. And this is done by someone called a web developer. A web developer's job is to create websites, which includes the structure and design of the website, as well as modifying and updating the website according to the company or client's specification. While his other primary role is also to ensure the website is visually appealing and easy to navigate, because web developers are responsible for the website performance and capacity. So, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have an understanding of the basis of web development and also what skills you should know and where to find them. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and let's get started. So in web development, we have three absolute parts: a front-end developer, a back-end developer, and also the full-stack developer. So let's actually take a look at each and every role. A front-end developer. As indicated by the name, a front-end developer is a person who develops the user interface of the website and applications, also known as the front end. They are responsible for determining the structure and design of the web application. They also build features to improve the user experience and also ensure the website visitors can easily navigate and interact with the web pages. The skills and technologies expected as a web developer are HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and also any of the front-end frameworks such as React, Angular, or Vue. Then we have the full-stack developer. A full-stack developer is a professional responsible for working on both the front-end and the back-end development process of web applications. Then lastly, we have the back-end developer. A back-end developer builds codes that allow a database and application to communicate with one another. For example, when a customer browses an item on a website, he or she is interacting with the front end, and after they select an item they want, put it in the shopping cart, and authorize the purchase, the information are kept inside the database which resides on the server. So, in order to be a good back-end developer, you need to be skilled with any of the back-end programming languages such as Java, Python, or PHP. And if your preferred language is Java, you might like framework like Spring. Or if your preferred language is Python, then you might like Django. And then for PHP, you might use Laravel. Then we have data structures and algorithms. Back-end development is data-driven, and as a back-end developer, you will want to have a basic understanding of the processes, structures, and algorithms used to implement and display that data. Some of these include linear and binary search implementations, data sorting, stacks, queue, list, and many more. Then we have databases. Databases are what websites use to store and organize large amounts of information, and the most primary function of database is storing data, updating data, creating and deleting of data. But not only that, a database also helps in authentication, which is observed in websites having a login and sign-up functionality. Some of the few common database management systems that are good for back-end developers to be familiar with are Oracle databases, MongoDB, MySQL, and many more. And finally, we have Git. Git is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration that lets you and others work together on projects from anywhere around the globe. But GitHub is not just a great place to store and share your code with others, but also a great place to host your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects. Check out my video on how to host your website for free on GitHub. I will drop the link in the video description for you to check it out. So here are the best free resources to learn and gain skills as a professional web developer that companies love to hire. We have W3 Schools. This is actually a school for web developers covering all aspects of web development from HTML tutorials, CSS, JavaScript, Python, SQL, and many more, all for free. This is actually a great platform to check it out if you are just getting started as a web developer. Then we have Coursera. Well, Coursera is a global online learning platform that offers anyone access to online courses and degrees from world-class universities and companies around the globe. As you may observe here, there are so many web development courses from great companies like Google, IBM, and many more. So you can use the join button here to sign up for a new Coursera account and begin your learning journey. And if you are curious to know how to access Coursera courses for free, check out my video on how to get Coursera courses with certificates. I will drop the link in the video description for you to check it out. So this wraps up our tutorial on the roadmap to become a web developer. And here is my special recommendations, because the web keeps changing, and with advancement in technologies comes new methods and tools. So it is essential to keep yourself up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Work on tons of projects and gain confidence and experience, because practice is everything. And at some point, following tutorials is not important anymore for you. But what really matters is progressing on projects and learning how to solve problems as they show up. So keep iterating and also never stop learning. And finally, if you have published any website you've created, then drop the link in the video description, because I would love to see them. And if you are new to this channel and this video was helpful to you, please be sure to like and subscribe for more related content. See you in my next tutorial, and also keep learning, stay tuned, and as always, take care.